Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to send a red snap on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, you have spotlights where you can go and check out your spotlight, some videos. We have the stories where you can go and check out stories from your friends. The camera where you can check out, of course, Snap. And in the bottom left corner, we have your location and the chats that you have. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and send a red snap on Snapchat. So, guys, the first thing, of course, it is pretty simple. And you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to send a red snap on Snapchat, you need to be friends with a user for more than 2 weeks. So from the moment that you have added each other, from the moment that the person accepted you or that you accepted the person, it needs to go past 2 weeks so you can do this. Swipe up from the camera screen to go to memories. And then when you swiped up and went to memories, press and hold on a snap. When you finish that, when you press the snap, tap and select who you'd like to send your snap to. After you've chosen a person, that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.